Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick screencast to show you how to transition to Google Classrooms in case It's Learning decides to crash again. What you're going to want to do is have your Google Drive open and then go into your course on It's Learning and then click on Plans. Have both of those open, okay? If you haven't created a Google Classroom, it's very easy. You're going to click on the waffle right here on the top right, and then you're going to select Classroom. You're going to have to enter your students into the classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the plus and create class. I've already created my classroom. It's right here. But I'm going to create a fake class, and I'm going to name it Mrs. Steele, for example, and then create. All right, once your class is created, you're going to go to People at the top, and then down here where it says Students, you're going to click Invite Students, and you're going to type their names and add them. So we have to manually put them in, but they're in the system. We just have to type their name. So if your student is, let's say, Allison, I can't spell this morning, Allison Pearson, you would click here and then invite. Okay, you're going to do that for all your students. So you could do multiple at a time here. You can type all your 25 students and then hit invite. You don't have to do one by one. You would just continue. Okay, I'm going to delete her because I don't want her in there. I want to remove the invitation. Okay, so once you have all your students in there, it's going to send them an invitation to join the class. So once that's ready, you're going to now create an activity for them, which everything is on It's Learning. We're just going to make it into a Google Doc, and then we're going to attach it here. So once you have all your students in there, we're going to do an assignment, okay? But first, you're going to go to It's Learning, okay? And then go to your plans. You should have this open already. Go to the plans for today, which is March 18th. I'm going to scroll down. Okay. And then your assignments will be here. Mine looks a little different because it's DLI. Yours will say math, science, social studies, and ELA. But either way, you're going to open up your folders, okay? What I would do is have a Google Doc open also. So have a Google Doc, a blank one open, and then I would title it, school closure, lessons, and the date. Okay, I'm going to show you the one that I already created, which is right here. Okay, so you'll create a document like this, okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut and paste, or not cut, but copy and paste everything in the folders on It's Learning into this document here. Okay, so everything that's in those folders, I just copied and pasted. Okay, so let's pretend this is blank, right? I titled my page. I gave it a title here. I'm going to go into It's Learning. I'm going to open up math. Okay, open up the folder. And then I'm going to copy everything. So you'll probably have to do copying in chunks, okay? And then you're going to paste it in here. So you'll notice the math, I had it here, okay? You'll just paste everything. Obviously, mine looks different, okay? You're going to do that for each subject. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the plans and I'm going to do the next subject. Go to 318. Okay, and then I'm going to do the next subject. Open it up. Now, if you have links, they should work. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so in here, if you have a book that's going to be read to them, you can copy this link and then you'll put it in the Google Doc, okay? So for example, I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it in here, which you'll see right here, I pasted it. And then the link, I put it right here. Okay. I also made some changes because it says click on the assignment completion box when you have completed this lesson. I deleted that from the instructions on the Google Doc because they're not going to be doing that. So what I did was here, I pasted everything here and then I wrote click here. Okay. And then I highlighted this. And then once I copied this link here, okay, copy link, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to right click, link, and then I'm going to paste the link here and then click apply. Okay, and that'll give them access to the YouTube video when they click on it. Okay, so you're going to want to do that for each of your subjects. Okay, and make sure if there's a video or something they need to see, just link it on the document. And that will avoid any issues with It's Learning if parents are not able to access it. Okay, once you have all your 4 lessons here, okay, you've got it saved, you're going to go back to Google Classroom, okay, and you're going to go to classwork. Right up here. We were at people, we added our students, now you go to classwork and you're going to say create. Click assignment and you're going to name it the same as the document, school closure lesson March 18th. Okay, and I'm going to link the Google Doc right here. Okay, so I'm going to click add. You could write directions here like I wrote. Click on the link below for school closure lessons. Please be sure to complete math, science, social studies, and ELA. You can just put some basic instructions here. And then you're going to add this document up here. You're going to add it to Google Classroom. So you'll click add, then Google Drive, and it should pop up in your recents because that's what we're working on. So this is the one I'm going to link, right? School closure lesson 318. Okay. Add. Students can view the file. Keep it like that. We just want them to view it. Okay. Another thing, you're going to want to make sure students cannot edit this document. So go back to your document on the Google Drive and then put viewing. Okay, you only want them to view it because if not, students or parents can start messing with it and making changes. So make sure that it's in view only. Okay. All right, let's go back here. We've uploaded the document. Students can view the file only. Okay. Then you're going to assign it and it's going to assign to all your students. Okay? And then it'll be right there. So when students sign in, they'll go to Google Classroom, and then they will access the activities through Google Classroom. And I'm going to send a separate video on how parents and students can access the activity. This video is just for you, the teacher, to be able to move your stuff into Google Classrooms. Okay? So stay tuned for a separate video if that's the case. But I want you guys to be ready. Okay? All right. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.